Did you know that millions of people are earning extra income from their hobbies? That's right, the things you love to do in your free time could actually be profitable. Forget the traditional 9 to 5 grind. You can turn your passion into a paycheck. Many people dream of making money doing what they love. Imagine turning your passion for painting, baking, or gardening into a source of income. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for hobbyists to become entrepreneurs. Online platforms make it easier than ever to sell products, share knowledge, and connect with potential customers. Whether you're a master knitter, a tech whiz, or a gifted writer, there's a way to monetize your skills. Turning your hobby into a side hustle is not only financially rewarding, it's personally fulfilling. So why not explore the possibilities? You might be surprised at what you can achieve. Let's get practical and explore some unconventional hobbies that people have successfully monetized. Take gardening, for example. Sell your homegrown produce at local farmers markets or online. Offer gardening workshops or consultations. Love to knit or crochet? Turn those cozy creations into cash. Sell handmade scarves, hats, and blankets online through platforms like Etsy. Teach knitting classes at your local community center. Are you a tech enthusiast? Offer website design or tech support services to small businesses. Create and sell online courses teaching valuable tech skills. Even something as simple as collecting stamps or vintage records can be lucrative. Become a niche expert and sell your curated collections online. Your passion can become a valuable resource for others. Real-life examples illustrate the incredible potential of turning hobbies into businesses. Take the story of Sarah, who turned her passion for baking into a successful online bakery. She started by selling her delicious creations to friends and family. Word of mouth spread, and soon she had a loyal customer base. Another inspiring example is Mark, a retired teacher who turned his love for woodworking into a thriving business. He started crafting unique wooden toys in his garage. Now, his creations are sold in boutiques across the country. These success stories highlight the importance of creativity, dedication, and a willingness to learn. It takes effort to turn a hobby into a business. But with the right mindset and approach, anything is possible. So, what are you waiting for? Monetizing your hobby requires a strategic approach. First, identify your niche. What unique skills or knowledge can you offer? What sets your hobby apart? Once you've defined your niche, research your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? Create a strong online presence. Build a professional-looking website or online store to showcase your work. Utilize social media platforms to connect with potential customers and promote your products or services. Engage with your audience and build a community around your passion. Pricing your products or services appropriately is crucial. Research industry standards and factor in the cost of materials, time, and expertise. Network with fellow entrepreneurs, attend workshops, and never stop learning. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are well worth it. Taking the first step is often the hardest part. Start by dedicating a specific time each week to your hobby-based business. Create a plan, set realistic goals, and break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Remember, you don't have to quit your day job right away. Begin by testing the waters. Offer your products or services to friends and family for feedback. Participate in local craft fairs or markets to gain exposure. Use these opportunities to learn, adapt, and refine your offerings based on real-world experience. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The journey is all about learning and growing. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your victories, and never lose sight of the passion that ignited your entrepreneurial journey. In today's world, it's easy to get caught up in the daily grind and forget about the things that truly bring us joy. Your hobbies are not just distractions. They are valuable expressions of your creativity, skills, and passions. Believe in the value of what you offer. Your unique talents and perspective have the power to connect with others and make a difference. Don't be afraid to share your passions with the world. Turning your hobby into a source of income is not just about making money. It's about living a more fulfilling life. It's about pursuing your passions, sharing your gifts, and creating something meaningful. So if you've been dreaming of turning your hobby into something more, take the leap. Explore the possibilities, believe in yourself, and start building the life you've always wanted. The world is waiting to experience the magic you create.